Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. It's only 98 degrees Fahrenheit. So I've just been shopping. I'm going to head home, but I think, should we go over and take a look at that end store that I call Just Enough Room for It? Yes, that one there with the brown brick on the fronts. Looks like they got it all glassed in. Looks like they got wood panel in the drive-up window. They got a drive-up window. See it there on the right? See it? They got lights on inside. They got it paved. Let's just, oh, I think they're just finishing up. 7 o'clock p.m. Let's take a look. Now you're going to get the sun in your eyes. Sorry. Oop, the guys are pulling it out. Oh, there's wood panels, yeah. So this is meant to be some kind of drive up and walk in. Now, we'll get the sun out of our eyes and just, whoop. Excuse me? You mind? You mind if I go? I just want to be sure he knows that I'm here. See, they're working. I don't know what he was yelling at me. Oh, and the guy behind him's giving him hand signals. Stop, stop, stop! So you saw they're still working there. And here's a treat wagon, but is it blocking off everything? Tropical Kiss, but why is he blocking the way to get in? Boy, this is a popular place. There's a customer over there. He uses a tow truck. That's right. We got to be careful. Now they've got this all paved in. They've got the spray going on for the grass. We see a wooden panel there on the front. Now on the diagonal front, that's how you walk in. They finished the facade. You remember we caught the guys up on the platform doing that. And directly in front of us is the handicap parking. I still don't know what's going to be in there, but it's got like a teller window there, or they're going to be selling something out of, see that wooden panel there? It's got a shelter over it, so it's meant to walk up to if you're getting rained on. See the way that guy's parked there to block off the entrance? It's not like there's no parking space around here. No, we got to do it right here. I'm not the only one that's wondering about what's going on. That person's going to be pulling in there to get something. So if I go back this way, am I going to get into trouble? See what the guys are doing? So there's a door there, but then you can see they've already got the lane painted on the ground. Okay, now if I look at it, what kind of store is it going to be? Oh, it's going to be a bank. Okay, now I understand. Okay, we got it. Thank you. It's going to be a bank. We got it. I think that was one of my early guesses. I'll have to go back and review one of my earliest episodes. I thought, you know, there aren't too many drive-up where you can get cash in this area of Dixie Drive. I wonder if this is going to be a bank branch. Aha! And thank you to the worker there for being kind enough to update me, even though they tried to run me over. back into me. I'm watching the traffic. I don't want to get into trouble. Okay, this guy is going, that guy is turning. I think I'm okay. Nobody's coming. Okay, folks, Steve AB4L with the sun in our eyes, just having fun, saying see you at 73.